Let's draw.
Hey guys, welcome to Dude Let's Draw. Today I'll be participating in Drawlloween. And basically I'm gonna just today make some Yokai Watch characters. I missed this show. It was fun. I'm using my iPad. You can use a paper and pencil. I'm using an iPencil. And if you're drawing on your iPad, I'm using just the standard Procreate brush. And let's begin the sketch. All right, I'm here on the iPad, and I have my little yokai here. This is Komasan. I'm gonna draw Jubanyan or Komasan in a pumpkin, because I love it. I like pumpkins. I love spoopy season, and since it's Drawlloween, might as well, right? And you feel free to draw along with me. I'm just gonna draw a standard pumpkin. Yo, hey, my name's Zimbabwe. And if you didn't know, hit subscribe, y'all. Hit subscribe. If you new to this channel, just do it, yeah! And I might make Komasan the pumpkin. Oh, my swirls, he would say. This was a cute little anime. People said it was like Pokemon, and you know, guess what? Most of these gotcha systems are like Pokemon.
Oh, my swirls!
They're all, gotta collect them all. Same thing with like Shopkins and Beyblade and the LOL dolls. They're all very similar, in a similar vein. But I like to just sketch and have fun. What are your plans for Drawlloween? I made my own prompt. And I want Komasan to say, oh my swirls.
Oh, my swirls!
As you can see here, I'm just shaping and drawing it gently. Because I love little kitty cats. Do you have a cat at home, my friend? He looks a little chubby, so I'm gonna sketch around that. Let's see how fast I can get this done, you know? Oh, my swirls. Oh, my cat wants to join in. She wants to help me. Both my cat and my dog love when I make YouTube videos. I'd love to show you with the camera right now. Come on up, sweetie. Come. Come on. Yeah, here she is. Here's my little angel. She's trying to help.
I want attention.
You gonna draw with me for Drawlloween? Huh?
I am a queen and a princess.
You gonna draw with me? She wants to be part of the green screen too. Look at her. What a baby. Her name is Miss She. Yes, I named her after a movie character. I didn't name her Blake.
Nope.
There's a reason for it. All right, now that I have my cat and my dog, let's continue. I'm gonna draw a little arms. I made Komasan a little chubby because Komasan has like a chubby little face. A chubby face. Some of the episodes of Yokai Watch were interesting. They're all about solving mysteries of ghosts that make people addicted to things. Or don't eat that. Don't. No. You already, look what she did. She already, like, she bit, this is Toko. She already bit Toko's foot off. I was like, why is it like this? And there was like a chunk missing from its leg. This was supposed to be a quick draw, and I guess our guest star has left the building. I'm gonna make this a thick Komasan. Yeah. Yokai Watch was one of those phenomenons where the advertiser was like, this is the Pokemon killer, and you just don't say that about a franchise that's been around for like 30 years now. Like, you just don't. Just don't. And then I'm gonna make him, let's see, what's our classic pumpkin? Give a classic pumpkin face. Little fat Komasan with a fat pumpkin face. I love Yokai Watch. Well, nobody likes it but me. The games are pretty interesting. They would come with coins, and you'd scan the coin into the game, just like any gacha system, and you get the yokai or an item. Yeah, you'd get the coin and then the watch, or you'd get the coin and you'd scan it into your 3DS and you'd get the yokai. And in this case, I drew little chubby Komasan. And if you stay tuned for just a moment, I'll show you the finished product.
So I was in New York with my friends. I managed to get a Japanese yokai watch toy. It looks like a real watch. And I was on the bus trying to meet my friends in Brooklyn. And this dude walks up to me and he goes, "Yo, baby girl, what time is it?" And I told him, like, I looked at the watch, looked at him, and I was like, "Yo, bro, it ain't a real watch. It's a toy." And he goes, "Oh, man, time for you to give me my number, baby girl." We laughed. I never gave him my number. And that's my Halloween story.
Dear Mama, it's me, Komasan. The big city is more confusing than a giraffe and rainbows.
Anyway, that's it for Drawlloween. If you would like, check the description below. I have a free digital art kit.